don't get money, you will suffer.
We don't take bad up, them boy they're good, don't get confused cause they got their hood up. The beating's boring, I just want mullah. My French thing said do a song with Bubba. 50 pointer, they look like Bubba. Them man, their jewels ain't real, they're poppers. Remember I told Shorty we got a nick that day and got stood up. You say that you're on me, I beg man pull up. I hate when they talk about the tea, only grams of the white that you see in the sugar. Bad one smiling at me in a club, but I want the one with the face will push up.
It's currently Wednesday, 8:51 a.m. and you're welcome to another YouTube video. Right, this is going to be our first YouTube video of the year, and it's going to be more of like a day in a life and also giving you guys trading nuggets. It's been a while I shot a YouTube video, so I pretty much have a lot of things to share with you guys. Those of you who are already in my Telegram channel or follow me on other social media platforms kind of have a glimpse of what has been going on. But with the YouTube family, I'll assume this is like the first time we are meeting this year. I'll give you guys more nuggets. So pretty much, as I said earlier, more of day in life and then trading content, and also what I do when I'm not trading. So without wasting much time, let's head right to the studio and then we'll do a little bit of a chart breakdown. So usually when I wake up around 3 a.m. automatically, but unfortunately this vlog had to start around 8:51, almost 9 a.m. So we are actually done trading. Okay, we already took a trade on gold and we've made money already. But you know how we do it. I'll always break the chart down for you. So let's get right into it.
There wake up, shit, kill my enemy, drum of the beat,
Alright, as you can see, this is our third trade for the week. It's currently pulling back, but we've already smashed the profit one. We've taken partials on this trade already, so it's safe to say it's a good trade. We made about 250 pips already, right? So what is happening currently on this trade is just a pullback. The bias that I have for today is still a buy anyway. It's going to keep going back up. Don't worry, I'll give you guys a proper chart breakdown soon. But this is today's trade. This was yesterday's trade, and then this was Monday's trade. So far we've taken 3 trades for the week and we've won not a single loss. So this is an amazing week so far, right? Now let's get quickly into the chart. As usual, when it comes to our technical analysis, we like to start with market structure, that of the higher time frame and also that of the lower time frame. So let's go ahead and check the 4-hour time frame to see exactly what gold has been doing. Okay, so this is the bigger perspective, right? So right before this area right on the screen, gold has been in that bullish momentum. Okay, so on the 4-hour time frame, we had gold having this nice rally up and gold kept buying, but at the point we knew that the reset was imminent. So when gold did this massive sell-off here, it was a good place to actually start technical analysis all over again. So if you look at the bigger picture, gold is currently ranging. Okay, right after this drop, price has just been playing around this same zone. So we already got our structure from the higher time frame that gold is likely to either make it back to this level and then eventually go all the way back up, or it will probably make it back to this level as well. But as far as we are concerned, we know that fundamentals is what drives the market. So in as much as we look out for technical perspective on the market, we'll also be sure to look out for any form of fundamental analysis, be it macro or any news that come in from Forex factory as well. So for our time frame established, we go to our 15 minutes time frame where we get our daily setups. Okay, now on Monday, all I had to do was to wait for price to get into a support area right here. I saw my classic technical analysis, okay, and then I jumped in on the buy here. Now look at where I put my take profits. Okay, setting take profit is very, very important. One may assume that price held from this area, so probably price should go all the way back to these highs. No, what you have to also understand is that look at the structure right here. We were in this massive uptrend on a 15 minutes time frame, and we had a change of trend here. So already gold is in a downtrend on the 15 minutes time frame in the immediate time frame. So when I'm taking a buy, I know I'm trading against the trend, so my targets needs to be a little bit more realistic, right? So right here into this zone, gold tapped into this retest level here, and then they started to sell off. But at this point, I was already done for the day. So I had to come in the next day, which is on Tuesday, and obviously I got a nice break out of this zone, a retest into this area, and you can see how effortless this sell went in our direction, simply because we were trading in direction of the trend. Then right after this move, what happened here? We had more of like what? A structural change on the 15 minutes time frame. We had a double bottom here, and we had a triple bottom here. Price went all the way up and took this resistance out. So immediately we got this breakout. This is when I jumped in on the buy, and then we're currently riding this trade. I've already made 250 pips on this trade, and it's already a good day. Now let's check out my Telegram. This was on February 16th. That was on Monday. I gave them this buy, as you can see. Tuesday we jumped in on a sell, and today being Wednesday, we are also in another buy. And this is the free community right here, where I also gave them some setups. Okay, setups right here, sell on a Tuesday, setup right here, sell on the Tuesday. Now the results keep coming. You can read them for yourself. Not a single day, right? You can see people taking trades with me, making money. This gentleman made about 400 bucks, and so on and so on. So you can keep reading the testimonial. If you are not in the community, what you have to do right now, it's simple, okay? So if you're not part of the Telegram community and you want to trade with me on a daily basis, what you have to do is very, very simple. Just pause this video now, go to the description. You're going to see the Rick FS Telegram link. Click on that. It's going to take you right to this channel. Just join it and wait for my instructions. I send signals in there. I also give Forex education, mentorship, anything you want to know about Forex, you'll find there. I'll see you in the group, right? So now that we are done trading, for the day, I literally have the rest of the day to myself. I try to occupy myself with a couple of activities, one of them being the gym. Now, me and the gym have like a toxic relationship. I don't know how to explain this, but that's the best way I can put it. It's been on and off, but I've been trying so hard to remain consistent at this. This is going to be my third attempt. Let's see how it goes. But I've learned a few things though. I was doing it, I was not really doing it the right way the first few times. But this time around, let's see how far it will go. But before I forget, I just realized that I've not really given you guys a house tour. So let's make this one like a mini house tour, show you guys around. But before we do that, let's see what I was talking about earlier, that this zone is a retest zone. I was expecting price to tap into it and continue, and we currently have strong reaction. So I wouldn't be surprised if price pushes and breaks this level. Okay, that's just about that. Now, this is about studio. This is now the house is basically like a 3-bedroom house, and obviously I live here alone, so I converted one of the rooms into a studio. And guys, the studio is currently not beefed up to my satisfaction. You know, I'm looking forward to putting a few things in here, maybe getting a bigger monitor, you know, doing all of those things. So if you guys have any ideas as well, you can let me know in the comment section or send me a message in my DM, and I'll be glad to check them out. So right from this spot, we have here being one of the bedrooms, which I've converted to a guest bedroom. Then this is supposed to be a mini office in the house, but since I currently have that bedroom as my office, I literally just keep my shoes in here, right? So this, by the way, is my favorite part of the house. This is the master bedroom. And why do you think I like this place so much? It's because of the magnificent views I get to enjoy when I'm sleeping, even when I'm working sometimes. As you know, I have my laptop here, so on days where I don't feel like actually going to the studio, I can still get some work done right here. So you guys know why I love this view so much, right? Just, this is like heaven, okay? So let's enjoy the views. Come with me. Right? And it's a very calm and serene environment. A lot of quiet neighbors out here. So everything is cool, calm, and what? Crisp. So let's head downstairs, show you where me and the boys chill anytime they're around. Show you where me and the boys chill anytime we're around. Dining area. I think I'm doing well, right, with the decoration. A bit minimalistic. Then living area. I put everything together myself though, so you guys can rate me in the comment section how you'd like to see. You can rate me in the comment section how you see my taste, right? So that's just about the tour. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy, just simple stuff. So I'll see you guys soon in the gym. We're ready for the gym now, guys. Let's go cook. Guys, so small story time about the gym, and then what I meant by this is my third attempt. So guys, see, the very first time I was just doing anything I could in the gym. I didn't have a clear goal. My goal was to lose weight though, but I would just go to the gym, lift metals, do whatever I have to do, and still go back home and eat like the way I would normal eating. So I realized that I was just running in circles, I was not doing much. So I was not seeing results, so I stopped. Then somebody shared with me that I need to also take into consideration my diet, especially looking at my goal that I want to lose weight. I need to pay attention to the kind of food that I eat, right? Pay attention to the kind of food that I eat. It's going to help with the weight loss, and then I just tone up the muscles. So that's when I got to realize that, oh, so carbs were not really great for me, and then I had to tone that out, or probably even eliminate that totally. And then I started seeing progress though. Second attempt was good. I was seeing progress until Cape Town happened. So I went to vacation in Cape Town, and then you guys know these things already. When you're on vacation, you just tend to eat anything you want to eat. And then I slacked again. So this is my third attempt, knowing what I have to do. So let's give it a few months, 3 months, 6 months of consistency, and then we see what happens. Now, why am I sharing this story with you? So you see, with me personally, this is my struggles. Most people see me online and think I'm perfect, right? But I also go through my struggles. When it comes to trading, it's like a no. When it comes to trading, it's easier for me because that is what gives me money, and anything that gives me money, I don't play with it. So I'm easily committed. But something like the gym, you know, I need that kind of extra motivation to be disciplined. And these days, I don't like the way my belly is looking, so that's why I'm going to the gym to hit it hard. But once again, in anything you want to do, all you need to do is to find the right informations, apply the informations, give yourself time. That's it. And also, if there's anything you should pick from my story right now, is to not give up. I'm going to keep trying this thing as many times as possible until one day I hit it right. So a few years on the line, you see me with my 6 packs in my swimming pool, and you think that I had it easy if I didn't share this story with you. So let this one be or serve as a guide whilst we go to the gym to go train.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you sold, I been still sold down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on the turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the bitches I am down the set.
So we're back. We're back from the gym. What next? What are we gonna do next? I think I'm just gonna have breakfast now, chill a bit, look at the market, and then probably go play golf. I feel like playing golf today. So for those of you who don't know, I'm not really a pro at playing golf, but I try. If you follow me on my socials, I do that sometimes. I try to play some sports, sometimes football, sometimes paddle, and then sometimes golf. This is just to help me keep me active and also busy sometimes. So let's see, maybe, just maybe, we could go play golf today.
Picture, comeback season in the works, and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the studio every night, late night. Gotta watch that shit.
Alright guys, so I think we're ready to go hit the golf course now. And you know, I always carry my laptop with me because at any given point in time I can get work done. So that's one of the advantages of being a digital nomad, as they like to call it. Anyway, let's do a quick fit check. Just a normal casual golf play today with my Ray-Ban sunglasses. You know, I think it's pretty clean. What do you think? And of course, I got some Adidas Sambas in a cut. I mean, let's go have it. Let's have it.
I got loyalty, got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter piece, got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my.
Guys, that was a very intense and educative session. I appreciate this kind of people when they see you trying something and then adding or putting in their 2 cents. It really makes the world a good place to live. Anyway, I'm done with golfing now. All right, I'll catch you guys pretty soon.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing.
So basically, we're done. I kind of had the rest of the day to myself, so I'm gonna play some game a bit.
20 bands, rain dance. We can eat the rain check or we can make plans. Pockets loaded, rocket loaded, okay, let's rock and roll this. Time to go, lock, stock, and 2 smoking barrels locked and loaded. Diamonds glowing, chop, climbing on.
So there you have it, guys. This is like a typical day in my life. If you like what you see and you want me to make more content like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Don't forget to click on the link in my bio or the description to join the Rick FS Telegram community. Also use another link in my description to open an account with my recommended broker Xness. They have tight spreads, fast deposits, fast withdrawals. You know, when you're choosing a broker, you want a broker that is trustworthy, that can keep your money safe, right? That should be all for this video, guys. I'll see you in another educative one. Peace out.